Model, 2019 Ford Transit 290L2 diesel front-wheel drive 2.0 TDCi 130ps H2 van. Very clean, simple repair bargain. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 117611. MOT, 30 May 2024. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCi 130ps. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Engine is all good. Gearbox is fine, clutch needs replacing. Very simple and easy for someone who knows what they are doing. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, 9,100.